Hey Ross World, my money makes money. I'm going to try to give a very simple and detailed explanation of what an ETF is because I always talk about it. So, exchange traded funds. And all that is, it's a group of stocks in a particular section, in a particular area. They all pertain to the same thing or the same sector. So, for example, an ETF is a group of stocks that are together that you invest in them simultaneously, but only for a fraction. And when I keep talking about fractions, I'm saying if you had one whole number and you broke that one whole number down to 0.25 or into quarters, you only invest into a quarter of it instead of having the whole entire stock. You own pieces of it. Now, this is great because once again, because you're investing in all of these stocks, if one of those stocks does bad, you can still earn in the other. So ETFs, let's group them together. Like tech stocks, you have Nvidia, Intel, and AMD. Those are all tech companies. Or take, for instance, social media stocks like Facebook and Twitter and Snapchat and Instagram. That will be their own separate ETFs that you will put your money into. You go through an app like Stash, okay, that does ETFs. You go through an app like Betterment or Wealthfront that do ETFs. Now, Stash is probably the best to tell you these are the stocks that we actually invest in so you understand what you're getting into. And just for another quick example, and say for instance you wanted to invest to Defending America, like that's an example they have in Stash where they are investing to Lockheed Martin, General Dynamics, and Raytheon. So they group like stocks together in order for you to invest in that sector. Whereas though if you were just doing a regular stock, you would have to individually invest into Raytheon, individually invest in AMD, individually invest in Facebook. So when Facebook does bad, you do bad on that particular stock. But on ETFs, if Facebook does bad and Snapchat or Twitter does well, you could potentially make money depending on the margin of error or false that you will receive or not receive, okay? So if Facebook goes down 2%, but on the rest of your portfolio of your ETFs or those stocks in that ETF goes up 4%, then you made 2%. So some people say, what is the big difference between ETFs and individual stocks? You will receive a greater return usually on individual stocks. That's why you need to diversify your financial portfolio. I don't just invest into individual stocks. I also do mutual funds as well. I also do ETFs as well. Make your financial portfolio diversified. Do not put all your money in savings. Do not put all your money in checkings. Do not put all your money in CDs. Don't put all your money in IRAs. Don't put all of your money in one spot. Everybody knows. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket, because if one breaks, it contaminates the bunch. Diversify your portfolio. So hopefully I explained these ETFs because you can make money. Just the other day, I looked at my Stash portfolio, and in a month time, not even a month, I made $10 off of $350. Now, I have a video talking about Ally Bank. And Ally Bank, I did a demonstration, I did an example of putting $1,000 in there. And at the course of a year, because of the compound interest daily, I will receive $10.05 over the course of a year by depositing $1,000. Now think about this, people. $350, I already made $10.62, something like that, on $350 compared to $1,000 for a whole year. Why are you missing out on the stock market? Why are you not investing? Okay, listen to this channel. Subscribe to this channel because I'm trying to motivate people to make this money. All this money. You throwing all this money in savings. Yeah, have your emergency fund. Keep that in your savings in a high yield savings. But when you want to build and create wealth, this is the quickest way. Listen to Warren Buffett. Listen to Dr. Boyce Watkins' channel. He motivates me to motivate you. Now, He may be a little more intricate because he's a doctor and philosopher, so he gets more intricate. I'm plain and simple. I'm trying to give it to you straight because I want you to make money. Okay? The more people make money, the more people are going to do well. Especially black and brown people. Okay? I want white people to do well, but guess what? Majority of white people are doing pretty well. I know there's poor white people, but black and brown, we really need to get our mind right. Okay? We need to get together, stop being scared, because you gamble your money every day. You gamble your money every day. You go out there and you buy miscellaneous and senseless items. Invest that money. Now, have a little fun with your money. You worked hard for it. But have that money to make you money so you can go off and live a great life. Because I talk to people about money every day, and it doesn't matter their color. Because we all have one goal, wealth. I learn from them, they learn from me, and hopefully you're learning something from this. Motivate yourself to take a chance so you can change your life. Because I'm changing my life, and I want you to change your life too. That's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm here in front of this video camera, so you can make some money. I'm not making money from this. I don't have that many views. People are like, oh, you want views, so you make money. I'm not even making no money. I do this simply to motivate people to make money. And tell your friends, come subscribe, look at the videos so they can get the information. In another video, I'm going to give out a quick gift, just like I did before. You have bad credit, I had those legal dispute letters, okay? Because all this pertains to creating wealth. You don't want to have high debt. You don't want to have a bad credit score because you save money, okay? And I'm going off on a tangent here, just rambling, just give me 1 second. And I have those dispute letters and those letters to get rid of your student loans. So I'm going to make a quick video about that. I'm just going to offer it. And those who want it, just subscribe. I'm going to send me a message. I'm going to reply with the information so you can get this totally free. I'm not asking for anything. Now, other people, you'll notice, oh, I had these dispute letters. Just give me $5, $10. No, I'm in this together for you. There's so many things in life for free, and this information for you is free. For you to do better, for you to become financially independent, okay? You may use this money to be an entrepreneur. You may use this money to just sustain your life in retirement. Hopefully, this has motivated somebody to move their asses and start having their money to make them money. This is Ross World. My money makes money. I'm out.